because it's a merry, happy, Hanukkah kind of Christmas. Well, hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl, Meekah Lynne. Here we are with another quick wig review, baby. And listen, the immature child in me wants to pronounce this Arabella. But this is a unit from Arabella Hair. If you are interested, definitely check out the information in the description box down below. We're going to go ahead and hop right into this. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel, ring the bell, drop a comment down below. Most importantly, share the video so we can all slay accordingly, baby. Now, let's go ahead and get into this beauty. Another winner, hopefully, by Arabella Hair. This unit by Arabella Hair is their Loose Wave 6x5 pre-cut lace frontal human hair wig in the natural black color. I do have her in 22 inches. This beauty starts off at 16 inches, giving you a total of $149.99. Y'all, can we take in these ringlets real quick? I'm not gonna hold you, okay? So I do imagine that this is pretty much going to be a straightforward type of review. We're not going to put any super bells and whistles. This comes style right out of the pack. Now, of course, I am going to go ahead and show you a beginner friendly option if you are not into finessing your wigs, and then we will go into the styling portion. Now, for this unit, this is one of those ready go pre-cut lace type of units. I've stated in the past how I feel about the cut job on these particular type of units. So it does give you kind of that drapery kind of look, you know what I'm saying? But we gonna make it work, and I'm gonna show you how.
East Coast always in me, Commonwealth, Lil Joe, getting love from my city. I roll call for the DMV. In my own lane, you could still ride with me.
Lord knows I made mistakes.
You want in, but it's too late.
I don't need your support just to know I'm important.
I will never sell myself short, cause I know you see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm my alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet.
Listen, baby. Ugh. If this is not giving Winter Wonderland ebony style, then I don't know what to tell you, boo. I don't know what to tell you. Alright, so there is one thing that I do want to do to this unit, and I pray that it won't like mess up the vibe. I'm not really feeling how it's kind of lopsided at the ends, so I'm thinking of taking it up to like right here, and I'm really nervous on this, y'all. So we're gonna go ahead, and I think I am gonna cut off these ends just to make it even. So let's see what it looks like. Try to get an imagination for what it looks like, and I think that is gonna look a little bit better. Oh Jesus, help me, Lord, help me, Lord, help me, cause it ain't gonna grow back. Oh yeah. You see that? Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the same on this side. I'm gonna start off low, so that way if I need to go higher, then I can do so gradually. Like I say, once you cut it off, sis, it ain't growing back. Alright, so I think I'm gonna take off just a little bit more. Look, if nobody else says it to myself, I'm funny. Dang it, okay? I cracked myself up. Party one, right here. Alright, Miss Arabella, you know they come through every single time when it comes to the quality, when it comes to the cap fit, when it comes to the overall density on their units. They are top tier in my opinion, especially with tangling. I've noticed that the units that I've gotten from them, I have not had any shedding or tangling whatsoever. So this go around with this Loose Wave Hair unit. This is one one of those wear and go type of units, as I mentioned in the beginning. Now, I did have to go in and cut the lace on this unit. As I've mentioned, I am not all a fan of the way they cut the lace on these, so I did go in and actually cut off more to my liking. Now, the number one mistake people make is they go straight across the hairline with these units. If you actually cut into the hairline, as you're seeing right now, it's going to give you more of a realistic look, and it's actually going to melt way better. The knots, I believe, are pre-bleached, at least in my opinion. You are not going to have to do anything to this unit. I don't even have any makeup in the parting space. And this parting space, speaking of parting space, baby, she is giving you acres for days, okay? So this definitely goes back quite a bit, actually to the back, probably like to the crown of my head. So you do have ample amount of parting space in the middle. On the side, not so much. Because, baby, they are swoopity swooping. So I did go ahead and just do kind of like just some really simple swoops to the side. And you notice I did not even cut the hair. I just kind of pulled it out, and then I followed up with the Even Wonder Lace Bond spray. This is a staple on the channel. And I just sprayed it right here just to get it to lay down, and that was literally all I did with the customization for this hairline. Now these curls, honey, these curls are giving you everything that you need right now, baby. Straight out of the pack. The curls are nice, they're plump, they give life, and they are so vibrant. So you really don't have to do too much. You can go through with your rat tail comb and pick out the combs if you really want to be meticulous about it and get a nice full look. Since I kind of know what I'm doing on this channel, okay, I went ahead and I just really did a nice finger fluff. And of course, naturally, some of those curls are going to frizz up. I followed up with my wand curler, linked in my Amazon storefront, and curled her. Took about maybe 5 minutes to curl the back and also curl some of the curls in the front, and that was literally it. If we wanted to, I could literally go right here where this part is kind of beginning, and if I wanted to, I could just go ahead and flip her. No tracks are gonna show, you know, and it's still gonna give me a nice look. And this is me, baby. You know me with the middle parts, okay, honey? So this kind of gives you an idea of what she's gonna look like from the side, and this is with no part. Listen, get into her. Get into her. Completely sold on this unit. I don't think I would change anything. The lace is giving. It was really easy to blend. The curls took to the heat, and as you can see, they're still holding up. So I could definitely, you know, put this in a box real gently and pull her back out, and she's just going to give me the same amount of life she's giving me right now, baby. I think besides the way they cut the lace on this, that's really the only thing that I would change for this particular unit. So she is giving, baby. And you know what I'm saying? She's all me, baby, because I make them for easy install payments. So if you're interested in checking out the information for this unit by Arabella Hair, definitely click in the description box down below. It will take you directly to this unit, as well as a direct link to their site as well. Big thank you to all of you for tuning in. Definitely appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, drop your girl a comment down below. Most importantly, share the video, baby, so we can all slay accordingly, baby. Take care of yourself, ladies. Keep yourself first. Most importantly, keep wearing it with confidence. And I'll talk to you all in the next one.
Girl, her space, you can keep your bitter. I'ma make her better.